making a stop at the famous Buc-ee's. All right, so now we're gonna head on to the game. Try not to get ran over in this parking lot. First of all, wow, it's gorgeous out here. I've never been to Auburn University before.
You're bad at dancing. You're gonna step on my feet.
But wow, we may have
No,
to
Megan, watch out!
make this one of our college options when the time comes. It's nice and neat and clean. I see an outrageously large football stadium over there.
Oh crap.
What in the world?
Why is it so big? This is so intimidating.
Look at this football stadium.
This is very intimidating.
Yeah. Can you imagine somebody sitting up there? Who wants to sit way up there?
Oh no, I would not.
Wow. In front of the Jordan Hare Stadium. I'm sorry, but I don't know who Jordan Hare is, but we are here at Auburn University. Get somebody open. There we go. I guess this girl the only shooter. Oh, yeah. Nice. I got the rebound. Nice. Everybody's so quiet.
I don't know. You can hear your own voice. It was great.
That was cool. First time that's ever happened.
figure out. Honestly, they were just at 17, so it's no surprise. All they had to do is get 4, and they were at 21.
Zoom in on the band.